Hello and welcome to Dark Age Growing. I'm Andrew, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of a full spectrum grow light from Hidden Harvest. Stick around for details on how you can win one of these grow light panels for yourself. Earlier this week, a large 3-piece box set showed up on my doorstep. Now, I was not sure what it was originally, and then I thought about it, and then I realized, OMG! Brad, over at Hidden Harvest, came through and sent me 3 of his full spectrum lights. This is awesome. I got it opened up, and I'm pulling out the wires to get it hung up. Good strong wires, nice clips. Now, it took me a little bit of fiddling to get these things to clip in place, but the clips and the hooks that are actually on the lights themselves are pretty sturdy and look like they're attached really well. So it was just my own little butterfingered issue that I had going on that took me a little longer to actually get them all hooked up. But with just a little bit of finagling and a little bit of thought behind it, I got them all attached, and the light was ready to hang. Pretty cool. Wires were all the same size. Seems to hang straight. And it's all attached to a nice metal carabiner. So, also included in this thing, that's what it looks like from the bottom, the lights off. But also included with this thing was the power cord, and that attached to the side of the panel does not have an on-off switch on the cord. It's probably my only thing that I noticed about it so far. But that's easy enough to work with. You either unplug it when you don't want to use it, or you hook it into a timer, which is probably what I'll end up doing. Hook it right into a timer so that it's on for 14, 16 hours a day and off for the 8 hours at night. It's probably one of the standard things to do with panels like this, is have them run for longer days, get your plants to grow the best. There's a instruction card. You can pause that if you want to read it, either side of it. Something I liked. It's in English. I can actually read all the instructions and all the information about the panels, these light fixtures for growing my garden with. So I got in underneath my desk, plugged it in, and it lights up. Hey, that's a good thing. Got here, shipped well, packaged well, foam on all sides, and the lights are working, so can't ask for much more than that. Now, I bet you're all interested. How can I get one of these? How can I get one of these? Well, Brad from the Hidden Harvest company has a YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. Go over there, click on the most recent video. I'll also have a link up above that will take you directly to the video, and subscribe to his channel, give a comment on the video, and you'll be entered into the contest to have a chance to win one of 4 grow lights. Make sure you enter this weekend by Sunday for the chance to win. I'll be getting these set up soon, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to find out more from me, Dark Age Growing.